this might get a little sketchy, okay? Once you're like at 100 miles an hour, then you can drop all 1,000 horsepower and you'll go. I mean, you'll probably still spin, but at that speed, you're more than anything just kind of hazing the oh shit. Well, that's not good. And the car died. Well, I guess this makes for an interesting video.
I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, I'll diss my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
What's going on, fat boy? Alright, y'all get up before you scratch my car. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro there. I know it's been a few weeks since I've posted anything. For those who don't follow me on Instagram, I made a poster to make some people aware. Actually, I think I posted here on YouTube as well, but basically what happened, something happened with my neck and it spread into my arm. I was handicapped for like 3 or 4 weeks. I couldn't even hold a PlayStation controller, let alone shift the car, right? So I got function to my arm again, so it's back to making videos and I can finally start on the fabrication process for this car. What you want, girl? I just want to give you guys an update. So I know on the last video that I posted, this car ended up dying on me. And actually, I ended up doing just a few things to the car, just little maintenance stuff that needed to be done. But long story short, what actually ended up failing on the car was something very, very simple. So this right here is basically like a voltage regulator. You could turn the fuel pump very high, you know, all the way up, or you could turn it low basically to where it's off. And essentially the Pro EFI, the computer, flips this onto the high switch. Yes, it is very, very loud. That's my fuel pump. But this switch right here, basically whenever I tapped it, it would short out. It would turn the pump on and off. So I'm thinking whenever I made that pull, I believe this piece right here, which is a little bit loose from the time that we had to remove this, it might have been hitting this, or I'm not sure what could have happened. But basically, from everything that I checked, that was the only faulty piece that I could find. Wiring, everything looks great. The controller still looks good. Everything up front looks good. So I'm assuming my issue was this, because I could not find anything else. So, you know, fingers crossed that that is it. I still haven't taken the car out yet to test it. As you guys can see, the weather's not it. My tires are not really wet weather friendly. I'm waiting for a day to clear up so I can go and test it out. But actually, and you know, while I had taken all this apart, I had been chasing an issue with my two front door speakers not working. I ended up fixing that one, and one of my amps that sit under here, it had failed. So I actually ended up learning how to do something new. I took an amp apart, disconnected these strange looking thin wires that apparently have like 13 to 30 pins inside of them. I don't know. Long story short, took apart the computers in the amp and fixed it somehow. I don't know. I also ended up fabricating a new bracket here for my dipstick for the transmission. As you guys can see, it's a little bracket mounted onto the valve cover. What do you think about those? You know, we gotta grab two of them. Mark IV Supras. Two Supras. Gotta grab two. And also congratulations to Mr. David. He is the first winner of the ride-alongs. Gonna be picking him up this weekend, hopefully, if the weather holds out. Just want to give you guys an update on that. Thank God that all the cars are good right now, so I can make content with any of them. It's just that I run nothing but freaking, as you guys call them, drag slicks on all of my cars. Same tires here, the Mustang. Unless you guys want to see some Scion TC content. And that's actually something that I'm going to be doing soon. I mean, I wasn't planning on recording it, but if you guys want to see it, I'll show you. So this car here doesn't have any fog lights. I bought a fog light kit, so I'm going to be installing that. I don't know if any of you guys have Scion TCs, but if you want to learn how to do that, let me know. I'll record it for you guys. That's going to be it, you guys. I just want to give you guys a quick little update on the car. Everything is good, just like it was before. It was nothing major, thank God. I am going to be putting the straight pipe back on that car too. After having this car straight piped, damn, that car's too quiet. But maybe it'll sound better once we get the tubular manifold on there. And also, for those who said that you did want to learn how to polish, I'm still doing that video for you guys. Basically how to turn one of these Harbor Freight bench grinders into a polisher. I am going to do that for you guys. I'm taking some days off from work here very soon, and pretty much all of those days that I'm taking off, I'm going to be using them to make YouTube content. So hopefully I can get everything, if not most of it, all done. Y'all have a good weekend, and stay tuned because I got a lot to do. Big man, Vincent, are you going to help me, dude? You going to help me work on the car? Yeah? All right.